I can see your face, but I can see the shadow of your smile, the blind boy. The unfortunate persons with disability, PWD, born with no heart, born with no gift. While I am here, what's my job? What's my goal? You are never forsaken, like the sparrows all over the sky. You are never neglected, oh man. Yes, God, His love never ends. Why can't I hear? Why can't I speak? Why I am living? Just pain of myself gain. You God created man equally in His own image and likeness. His judgment is all around. The laws on earth, His eternal will.